Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you very much for joining us this morning. And welcome you to San Francisco's International Airport. The local time here is approximately 9:20. And we're going to be taxiing for a few moments, so please do remain seated until the captain's turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. And refrain from smoking till you do find a designated area. Make sure you check all seat back pockets and storage areas to ensure that you have all your belongings. Use care when opening overhead bins, as contents may have shifted during our flight. And all of us here at United, and if you want to join in with us,